Introducing Jayden Smith, a 10th grader with a flair for English. Jayden's educational journey is enriched by her love for debate, podcasting, and writing. As an auditory learner, she has an easier time absorbing complex topics through listening and engaging in discussions. Currently, Jayden is making strides in a show-it activity. This dynamic exercise aligns with her preference for verbal expression and practical application of knowledge. Our curriculum's advanced literature modules and debate sections provide ideal platforms for Jayden to engage and excel, reflecting her exceptional abilities. Show-its are an excellent fit for Jayden because they offer a hands-on approach to learning that empowers her to showcase her comprehension in the manner that suits her best. Through these show-its, Jayden is able to broaden her educational experience with stimulating activities that support her auditory learning style and natural talents. At Lincoln Learning Solutions, our learning objects are meticulously designed to celebrate and enhance the diverse learning styles, abilities, and cultural backgrounds of students like Jayden, ensuring that every student has the opportunity to succeed and thrive in their learning environment.